Kyrgyzstan, Bakkan region. When setting out east from the center of the region, lies the village of Zardaly, 80 kilometers away. Incredibly beautiful, mysterious, amazing. Do you want to see the incomparable beauty of nature? Then you should definitely visit the village of Zardaly, hidden in the embrace of towering mountains. Here, for over 5 centuries, stands one of Kyrgyzstan's greatest natural wonders, the country's largest and most enduring plane tree.
Kanma. 2 metre çoğaltan esetten kuruluşu takraklanmak çalışına. Birinci men 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. Ha 9 boldu. Çoğaltan 2 metre birlikten onda 9 kulaç bolup atken bu. Ошондо кулач болгондо бул кулач ар бир 1,5 метрден да. Канча метр болуп калышы мүмкүн, а? Ошондо 13 болуп аткен да, 12-13 болуп аткен да.
This giant plane tree, which takes the arm span of 9 people to embrace, is known among locals as the Chakush Tree. Its exact age is unknown, but residents believe it's been standing here for at least 5 centuries. The plane tree of Chakush Mountain. This giant tree is believed to have begun growing around 500 to 600 years ago. It stands about 15 meters tall, with a trunk thickness of approximately 12 to 13 meters.
Жашы 80ге чыккан аксакал деп айтат, 80ден көп жашаган аксакал деп айтып кетет. Бала кезден эле ушул бойдон турган, ушул бойдон эле.
Our 80-year-old village elder says that even back when he was a child, this plane tree was already fully grown and flourishing. According to our elders, this tree has been growing for at least 5 centuries, maybe even longer. Whether it's the mystery of Zardaly's nature or something in the climate, or maybe just the will of God, this tree has stood hidden here in the mountains like a secret of our land.
Those who wish to see this magnificent plane tree, hidden away in the mountains and standing tall for centuries, must first travel by car from Bakkan city to the village of Zardaly. From there, it's another 2.5-hour journey on foot. Following a narrow trail carved into the cliffs, you'll eventually reach Chakush Mountain, where, at an altitude of 2,000 meters above sea level, you'll find the largest plane tree in the region. If you want to feel the mystery, peace, and power of nature, don't miss the chance to see this remarkable tree in Zardaly.